how to remove stuff from your iCloud. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can remove stuff from your iCloud, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to remove stuff from your iCloud, all you have to do is simply go ahead and then actually open up your Safari browser here. And once you go to your Safari browser, just go to iCloud.com. Now when you log into iCloud.com from a browser, you will only see the things that are backed up and are currently inside your iCloud. Not on your iPhone, but only on your iCloud. So here you can see I have got some of the drive and the zip files, I have got some notes, I have got some calendar events and some photos or videos if you have. And if you have deleted and backed up any of those, you can choose to delete them completely from iCloud.com. And if you don't want them to back up in the future, you can simply turn off iCloud backup by going to iCloud and then just turning off photos backup, iCloud Drive backup or something like that. This way you should be able to go ahead and then basically remove stuff from your iCloud. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.